Welcome! Today, we're diving into a question many people ask: how many calories should you eat per day? Calories are the units of energy your body needs to function, from breathing to walking, and even thinking. Understanding your daily calorie needs is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, supporting your activity level, and fueling your body for daily tasks. In this video, we'll break down the factors that influence calorie requirements and help you figure out what's right for you. Let's start by understanding what calories actually are and why they matter. A calorie is a unit of measurement for energy. When we talk about calories in food, we're referring to the amount of energy that food provides to our bodies. Every time you eat or drink, you're giving your body fuel to perform all its functions, from moving your muscles to keeping your heart beating. The calories you consume come from three main sources: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each of these macronutrients provides a different amount of energy per gram, and your body uses them in unique ways. Calories are crucial because they provide the energy your body needs to function. If you consume more calories than your body uses, the excess is stored as fat, which can lead to weight gain over time. On the other hand, if you eat fewer calories than you burn, your body uses stored fat for energy, resulting in weight loss. Balancing your calorie intake with your energy expenditure is key to maintaining a healthy weight and supporting your overall well-being. Not everyone needs the same number of calories each day. Several factors influence your daily calorie requirements, including age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. For example, younger people and those who are more physically active generally need more calories. Men often require more calories than women due to differences in muscle mass and metabolism. Understanding these factors can help you estimate your own calorie needs more accurately. As we age, our calorie needs change. Children and teenagers require more calories to support growth and development, while adults need enough to maintain their body functions and activity levels. Older adults often need fewer calories due to a decrease in muscle mass and physical activity. It's important to adjust your calorie intake as you move through different stages of life to maintain a healthy balance. Men and women have different calorie requirements, mainly due to differences in body composition and metabolism. Men typically have more muscle mass, which burns more calories at rest compared to fat. As a result, men usually need more calories than women of the same age and activity level. However, individual needs can vary, so it's important to consider your own body and lifestyle. Your physical activity level plays a major role in determining how many calories you need. People who are very active, such as athletes or those with physically demanding jobs, require more calories to fuel their bodies. On the other hand, those with sedentary lifestyles need fewer calories. It's important to honestly assess your activity level when estimating your daily calorie needs. Your weight and body composition also affect your calorie needs. People with more muscle mass burn more calories even at rest, compared to those with higher body fat percentages. If you're working to build muscle, your calorie requirements may increase. On the other hand, if you're trying to lose weight, you'll need to create a calorie deficit by eating fewer calories than you burn. Basal metabolic rate, or BMR, is the number of calories your body needs at rest to maintain basic functions like breathing, circulating blood, and regulating temperature. BMR accounts for the largest portion of your daily calorie needs. Factors like age, gender, weight, and genetics all influence your BMR. Knowing your BMR can help you estimate your total calorie requirements more accurately. There are several formulas to estimate your BMR, with the Harris-Benedict equation being one of the most commonly used. This formula takes into account your age, gender, weight, and height. While it's not perfect, it gives a good starting point for understanding your body's energy needs. Once you know your BMR, you can factor in your activity level to estimate your total daily calorie needs. Once you know your BMR, you can estimate your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. TDEE is the total number of calories you burn in a day, including all activities from sleeping to exercising. To calculate TDEE, multiply your BMR by an activity factor that reflects your lifestyle. This gives you a more accurate picture of how many calories you need to maintain your current weight. Activity factors are multipliers used to estimate your TDEE based on how active you are. For example, if you're sedentary, you might use a factor of 1.2. If you're lightly active, it's 1.375. Moderately active people use 1.55. Very active use 1.725, and extra active individuals use 1.9. Choosing the right activity factor is important for an accurate calorie estimate. To estimate your daily calorie needs, first calculate your BMR using your age, gender, weight, and height. Then, multiply your BMR by your activity factor to get your TDEE. This number represents the calories you need to maintain your current weight. If you want to lose or gain weight, you'll need to adjust this number accordingly. If your goal is to lose weight, you'll need to create a calorie deficit by eating fewer calories than your TDEE. A common recommendation is to reduce your daily intake by 500 calories, which can lead to about 1 pound of weight loss per week. However, it's important not to cut calories too drastically, as this can slow your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight in the long run. If you're looking to gain weight, you'll need to eat more calories than your TDEE. Adding 250 to 500 extra calories per day can help you gain weight gradually and in a healthy way. Focus on nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're getting the vitamins and minerals your body needs along with the extra calories. Not all calories are created equal. It's important to choose healthy, nutrient-rich foods to meet your calorie needs. Focus on whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. These foods provide essential nutrients that support your overall health rather than just empty calories from sugary or processed foods. Calories come from 3 main macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates and proteins each provide 4 calories per gram, while fats provide 9 calories per gram. Understanding the calorie content of these macronutrients can help you make better food choices and balance your diet for optimal health. Nutrition labels on food packages provide valuable information about calorie content and nutrients. Learning how to read these labels can help you make informed choices and stay within your daily calorie goals. Pay attention to serving sizes, total calories, and the breakdown of macronutrients to get the full picture of what you're eating. General guidelines suggest that adult women need about 1,800 to 2,400 calories per day, while adult men need about 2,200 to 3,000 calories per day. These ranges depend on age, activity level, and other factors. Remember, these are just averages. Your individual needs may be higher or lower. Pregnant women have increased calorie needs to support the growth and development of their baby. Typically, an additional 300 to 500 calories per day are recommended during pregnancy, especially in the 2nd and 3rd trimesters. It's important to focus on nutrient-rich foods to ensure both mother and baby get the necessary nutrients. Athletes and highly active individuals require more calories to fuel their training and recovery. Depending on the intensity and duration of their activity, calorie needs can be significantly higher than average. It's important for athletes to balance their calorie intake with their energy expenditure to maintain performance and health. Children and teenagers have unique calorie needs to support their rapid growth and development. Calorie requirements vary widely depending on age, gender, and activity level. It's important for parents to provide balanced meals that meet these needs and encourage healthy eating habits from a young age. As people age, their calorie needs often decrease due to a reduction in muscle mass and physical activity. However, nutrient needs remain high, so it's important for older adults to focus on nutrient-dense foods. This helps maintain health, energy, and independence in later years. Keeping track of your calorie intake can help you stay on target with your health goals. There are many tools available, from smartphone apps to food diaries, that make tracking easier. By monitoring what you eat, you can identify patterns, make adjustments, and ensure you're meeting your daily calorie needs. While numbers and formulas are helpful, it's also important to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating mindfully and paying attention to how you feel can help you avoid overeating or undereating. Trust your body's signals and make adjustments as needed for your health and well-being. Staying hydrated is an important part of overall health and can also influence your appetite. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie intake. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to support your body's needs and help regulate your appetite. Metabolism refers to the processes your body uses to convert food into energy. Some people have faster metabolisms and burn more calories at rest, while others have slower metabolisms. Factors like genetics, age, and muscle mass all play a role in determining your metabolic rate and, therefore, your calorie needs. The thermic effect of food, TEF, is the energy your body uses to digest, absorb, and process the nutrients in your meals. TEF accounts for about 10% of your total daily calorie expenditure. Eating a balanced diet with adequate protein can slightly increase your TEF and support your metabolism. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT, refers to the calories you burn through everyday activities like walking, cleaning, or fidgeting. NEAT can vary greatly between individuals and can make a significant difference in your total daily calorie expenditure. Increasing your daily movement, even outside of formal exercise, can help boost your calorie burn. Getting enough sleep is important for regulating your metabolism and appetite. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger, leading to increased calorie intake and potential weight gain. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can help you manage your calorie needs and support your overall health. Stress can impact your calorie needs and eating habits. High stress levels may lead to emotional eating or changes in metabolism. Managing stress through healthy coping strategies such as exercise, meditation, or talking with friends can help you maintain a balanced diet and appropriate calorie intake. Certain medical conditions, such as thyroid disorders, diabetes, or digestive issues, can affect your calorie needs. If you have a health condition that impacts your metabolism or nutrient absorption, it's important to work with a healthcare professional to determine the right calorie intake for your situation. Many popular diets, such as low-carb, keto, or intermittent fasting, involve adjusting your calorie intake in different ways. While these diets can be effective for some people, it's important to choose a plan that fits your lifestyle and supports your long-term health. Always consider the quality of your calories, not just the quantity. There are many myths about calorie counting, such as the idea that all calories are equal or that you must count every calorie to be healthy. In reality, the source of your calories and your overall eating patterns matter more than strict counting. Focus on balanced, nutritious meals and listen to your body's needs. When adjusting your calorie intake, it's important to set realistic and achievable goals. Rapid weight loss or extreme calorie restriction can be harmful to your health. Aim for gradual changes that you can maintain over time and celebrate your progress along the way. If you're unsure about your calorie needs or have specific health concerns, consulting a registered dietitian or healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance. Professionals can help you create a plan that fits your goals, lifestyle, and any medical conditions you may have. Your calorie needs can change over time due to factors like age, weight changes, activity level, or health status. It's important to reassess your needs regularly and make adjustments as necessary. Staying flexible and responsive to your body's signals will help you maintain a healthy balance. Creating a sample meal plan based on your calorie needs can help you stay on track. Start by dividing your total daily calories among 3 main meals and 1 or 2 snacks. Focus on including a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you're getting a balance of nutrients throughout the day. Eating out can make it challenging to control your calorie intake, but it's still possible with some planning. Look for menu items with nutrition information, choose grilled or baked options over fried, and watch portion sizes. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications to better fit your calorie goals. Sometimes, you may hit a plateau where your weight or progress stalls, even if you're following your calorie plan. This is normal and can happen as your body adapts. Try reassessing your calorie needs, increasing your activity, or making small changes to your routine to get back on track. Success isn't just about the number on the scale. Celebrate non-scale victories like increased energy, better sleep, improved mood, or healthier habits. These achievements are just as important as reaching a specific calorie or weight goal and can keep you motivated on your journey. The key to long-term success is building sustainable habits around food and calorie intake. Focus on making small, manageable changes that fit your lifestyle. Over time, these habits will add up and help you maintain a healthy weight and relationship with food. To sum up, your daily calorie needs depend on a variety of factors, including age, gender, weight, activity level, and health status. Calculating your BMR and TDEE can help you estimate your needs, but it's also important to listen to your body and focus on nutrient-rich foods. Remember, balance and consistency are key to achieving your health goals. No matter where you are on your health journey, remember that progress takes time and patience. Celebrate your efforts, stay flexible, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. With the right information and a positive mindset, you can find the calorie balance that works best for you. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of daily calorie needs. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, and your needs may change over time. Stay informed, listen to your body, and seek support when needed. Here's to your health and well-being,